What's going on? Michael Petty here. Today is December 23rd. It's the day before Christmas Eve. And it was, I think what, the lowest it got was 13 degrees today. So I thought back to my childhood and growing up in Illinois. I was like, I must have had a mental problem. Going outside, it's 10 degrees outside. We playing snowballs. Those trucks come in that, bury that push all the snow out and put it into a big pile. Well, in parking lots, certain parking lots like close to house, 'cause I live close to like the downtown area of the city. There used to be these high, tall piles. So me and my friend used to build tunnels through them, crawl through them and hide in them and dig inside of them so we can hide behind them. So if somebody run by, those snowballs. We had a good time as kids. When you sneeze or your nose running from your body heat, the nostril juice. Freezing up over your upper lip, put on your thermals, your jeans, your sweater, your snowsuit over that, just to go outside and play. But today, I'm like, I had to go out there today, but if I cannot go outside, I'm not gonna go outside. I'm staying inside, indoors, where it's warm. Luckily, I didn't have to go into work today under this, with this weather the way it is. You have the luxury of building a business from home. Okay? And the company that we promote, we can make $1,000 and $2,000 commissions. If you don't want to go out, you don't have to go out to make money. And the job you do, I still work full time in the grocery warehouse. But what I do, it ain't hard. It ain't difficult. I seen a post this morning talking about people who they don't want to start an online business because maybe they're content with their job. Even though I am content with my job, I know the job alone ain't gonna cut it. A job alone ain't gonna pay me the lifestyle I want to provide for my family, for my son, for my wife. Got a granddaughter on the way. Got grandkids 4, 5, and 6. It's Christmas time. And here in a few days it's gonna be New Year, so we're going into a new year, and everybody say New Year, new goals, and all that. What they call it? What's the thing? What they call it? The resolution. You got the resolution coming up. People make resolutions that last a couple days. The last New Year's Day and the 2nd of January. And then the New Year's and then the resolution has been broken. But I used to make resolutions, but I say, you know what? No more resolutions. I'm gonna make goals, and if I don't reach my goal that I want to reach, I'm just gonna continue it. Once I hit it, make your next goal. But going into 2023, I'm more focused on $1,000 days. $1,000 days. I want to show other people how they can make $1,000 days, keeping it simple. Using extremely simple strategies. We actually have a team training called the 3-generational bonus training. Shows you how to make consistent sales online with the company we promote from an individual who makes $2,000 sales consistently. And in this training, he shows you how to do it without paid traffic. You got a lot of people to spend money on leads. You got some programs which can pay you in residual income. And you hear people talking about, oh man, you go out there and make a sale, you got to do it all over again. Well, you got to understand, even with residual income, people do leave. People still quit. So you still have to do it. If that was the case, if you can build a residual income and you reach your goal, why continue marketing it? Because, people fell off. You need to keep filling your pipeline. It's going to happen. Just like even in one-time sales, you got to keep filling your pipeline. Now, I'm in position to build a residual income and also make one-time $1,000 in the system I'm using and in my primary business. Do you have to come in $1,000? No, you can start for a little as $149, make $100 over and over again, unlimited amount for $149 one time. And if you want to get to the 2,000, you can slowly upgrade, and you only pay the difference from level to level. There's no time period to pay to upgrade. You don't have a certain amount of time. You get to pick how you get paid. You want to get paid straight to Cash App of $100, $250, $500, $1,000, $2,000, PayPal, cash. You get to pick how you get paid with this company. Owner, he always looks out for the affiliates. He looks out for us. Okay. Great support, keeps everything updated. This company, you can bring somebody in. You don't have to worry about them complaining about something. I never heard a single complaint about this particular company. If you make the decision to partner with us, you're going to get a mega swap file. You're going to get that 3-generational bonus training. If you come in at the $1,000 and $2,000 level, you're going to get added to our private team chat on Facebook. for additional coaching. You can ask your questions. There's like 40 plus people in there that can answer your questions. So you're not alone. That's ongoing training, ongoing support. I have a team sales page that's optional. If you want that team sales page, I can put it together for you. Put your face, all the links go to you, so you can stand out and not have the same page as everybody else inside this company. And my biggest one at the G1000, G2000 is I put the first member in for you. So you come in at the $1,000 level, I'm gonna put the first member in for you, because the first person you bring in, you pass up the person and you pass up the commission. Well, I'm not gonna take that commission. I'm not gonna take the person. I'm gonna put the first person in for you, so every commission and every person will be yours. So you're not missing, so you're not losing a dime when you partner with me. So click the link down in the description if you want to check out this opportunity. But maybe you already have a business opportunity, but you want to find out how to get leads and make sales in your company a whole lot easier. There's a free system. I'm just giving it away, right? This free system helps you collect leads. I built a contact list of over 8,000 people with this very quickly. It promotes my primary business. It helps me make sales. It helps me make a $6 sale. I can make a residual income, $100, $400, $1,000, and it does it for me. Only thing I have to do is just give away a free system. That's why I like this system. You give away free system, it takes over from there. Even in my primary bit, it's automated. It comes with lead capture page, right? The $1,000 business, it comes with lead capture pages, come with the built-in autoresponder that does the selling for you, does the presentation for you. Your focus is to drive traffic. But in all reality, you talk about $1,000 commissions. You peep at that level, right? We're not talking about giving away a free system. At $1,000 level, people have to connect with you. They're going to have to see you. They're going to have to hear you. They got to put a face and have to put a voice to the person they're joining. They have to know that the information they're going to give me is actually going to help me. They're not going to just make money off of me and leave me out to the wolves. No. You have a Facebook group. Like I said, we have our team private chat, $1,000, $2,000 level. You get ongoing support with that. Ask your questions, you get your question answered. You get additional training. You get a lot of bonuses when you partner with me and partner with our team. So I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Don't want to keep it too long. Go ahead, click the link down in the description. Get inside. My name is Michael Petty, and I'll see you there.